Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can input or remove the SD card to your DJI Air 2S. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, we have to rotate our device like that to the left side, and we have to open the bottom proper, just like that. We can find this cover, so we can use, for example, our fingernail or other thin item and just gently remove it. Oh, that's my bad. We have to actually go for this, for the right side, for this one, and here we have to open this bottom proper and remove this a little bit wider cover. There we go. As you can see, right here we can find the micro SD input. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit closer to show you how it looks. There we go. And here I have the SD card. It looks like that. And that's also this small icon that shows us the position of the SD card. So we have to input it like that. Basically with these gold pins. Yeah, there we go. And as you can see right now, it looks like that. So we have to put it inside. So we can use your fingernail. And we are inside right now. So you can just close this cover. And right now you are able to record videos, hyperlapse, slow motion, or for example take photos with your DJI Air 2S. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.